Hello everyone, simply the welding machine, which is widely applied for the Kettle industry. For this type of welding machine, there are different lengths: 400 by 400, 600 by 600, and even longer lengths. Now we are showing 1000 mm length with 0.3 thickness. With the laser welding machine, the less heat and reduce the scrap rate. Now we look at the welding result. Neat and smooth welding. Here is the welding in the client factory. No need skilled welding worker. Fast speed, isn't it? It takes 3 to 5 seconds to welding one piece. No deformation. The last video we will show welding short lengths. Comparing to previous machine, the small fixture is for 15 to 20 cm length. Will be quicker fixing time, and also 2 fixtures can be made on this table. Contact with us for more details. My mobile number is on it.